Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to tell you how to fix operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus. So first step is we have to go to our Windows security. You have to type Windows security and tab on Windows security. Now you have to click on virus and threat protection, and in here you have to click on manage settings, and now we have to turn off all these: real-time protection, cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and the last one, tamper protection. So now after these steps we have to give cmd some commands. Now you have to here type cmd and run as administrator. Now there are two commands, so I will copy the first command. I will give these commands the description menu, so don't worry, and click on enter. So now we will give him the last command, which is I will give him the description menu. So I will copy this and paste this command in here and enter. So this was the last step. Now we have to click on exit. Now after this, we have to click on here and type Windows Unwanted firewall, and we have to also disable this firewall while. So we click on turn off, and click on OK. So these were all the steps to fix error. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.